Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial from TS Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be teaching you about Facebook stories. Okay, what Facebook story does is just like your self-destruct diary that can stay for a whole day, for the whole of 24 hours, and then after that it self-destructs and it deletes automatically. It doesn't save on anybody's drive, it doesn't save on your drive either, so nobody can retrieve it. This is a good way to pass information. You just want to share your life experience or your daily experience, just like a daily diary. So if you are interested in learning how to do this, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But if you already know that, you can skip on this video tutorial and check on my next tutorial, or you can view any other videos on my channel. So let's go ahead and dive in. Open your Facebook Messenger. Once you have your Facebook Messenger open, you can notice this area that says your stories. It has a plus icon on top of it, so you can click on that plus icon to start adding your story. But if not, let me show you guys what story is. If you look after the plus icon, you can see images of online members which are already on my Facebook Messenger. So the one that has blue circled icon on them are the one that actually uploaded a story. You can notice the ones with blue icon and the ones with gray icon are the ones I've checked recently. So there are some people that have stories here. So let's go ahead and look at the first person's story and then just continue with our tutorial. So when you click on it, you can see the person's story and it loads for a particular period of time and then finishes. So if for some reason you want to watch that story properly, you can click and hold on that particular image for it to spend a little time, and then you can go off of it. So that is how to check a story on your Facebook Messenger. You can always pause and then play back and then leave it playing, but you can't rewind it. You just keep going forward. You can only pause and go forward. So that's how Facebook story goes. And then to create our own, all we need to do is to click on the plus icon at the first area, and if you already scrolled far away, just go ahead and scroll right back to the beginning of the area where it has plus and your story. Go ahead and click on the plus icon. I'm going to click on mine to open it. So all you need to do is to if you want to add a text, you can click on the text to make a text story. You can say let's add a text story. Hello Tuesday, please be good. And then once you're done with your story, you can just post it. If not, you can go ahead and edit and design that, but I'm going to show that in the next video tutorial. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on add your story, and then say, you can notice it has a notification that it's going to be visible for on Messenger and Facebook for the 24 hours. So go ahead and add it, and it's going to be added to your story. You can notice it's loading. Once it's done, it's going to be added, and you're going to see the blue icon right there. So then that's how to add a story. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and close up, and then that's all. So hopefully you guys watch and enjoy this video tutorial. I really don't want to make a long video, so I'm going to make the next video, and I'm still going to be on your stories. I'm going to teach you guys a lot of things about your stories and different things on how to add different stuff on your story. So hopefully please watch the next video tutorial loading up. See you guys next time.